Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John. I got another quick video for cooking with John. Just coming up with some really cool ideas. If you don't think it's cool, but you can just try to mix it up with whatever you're eating. Okay, so here we go with Hormel chili without beans. I love this stuff. It's really good. I guess it's really one of the good products that are out there as far as chili goes. It's a little hot, but it's not again that hot, so I decided to put some hot sauce. There you go. I added it in there. And this time, I always like to have crackers, but this time I end up putting in Dorito chips in there. So what I do is I open up the can, and then I pour a little bit of the hot sauce in there, then add some the Dorito chips in there, get it nice and crunchy. And then I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And then it comes out pretty good. Hormel chili is pretty good. I like it a lot. There are some good chili products out there, but I think Hormel is probably the better one. Add a little bit more flavor. I like to try different things, like I said before, into the chili. Go ahead and try it, see what it likes. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also, check out my YouTube channel playlist for Cooking with John, and I'll see you later. Bye.